the number plate bolts on there, and you can drive around with it open and the number plate flaps down.
Alright.
But everybody leaves them open and forgets and reverses into things. So that was the boot floor after I finished doing the, oh, you can see the inner wheel arch repairs there as well, and there. So we did those first when it was upside down, then I put these in, so that tidies the floor up, and then I flipped it over, made that one pocket, and then like I say this morning, hung the boot lid, clamped that two there when it was cut through off of here, hung the boot lid onto it, just to make sure my gaps were okay, which were pleasantly good. Then tapped it here and here, tried the boot lid again, and spot welded this in so I knew it was in the right place, and just about to start on the other corner repair. Okay, actually.
Where's that lining up to then?
Where that panel ends, so I just trim that in so it goes into that. We can afford to have a bit of a gap at one man when it's welded. Then we'll cut that out. That's got a swage on it so I can tuck that panel underneath there. Just holds that curve right there. Come down from my mark line there, come down 1/4 inch, and you can just fill that section in.
So what's that you're trying to get out then?
Just that lip where that return goes in there.
Keep it nice and flush.
Yeah.
So the flatter it is, the better the contact.
Yeah.
Fire on the inside, you know.
That's all right.
Thought, how long do I leave it until I tell you?
Until the whole thing's gone.
Don't interrupt me. All right, sorry.
So nearly ready to go to the blasters then. A few more bits to do. Change the door skins, hang the doors again, and then it can all go off and be blasted, and then see what comes back.
Next week on the workshop.
1 with a slot, 2 with a slot, 3 with a slot, 4 with a slot, 5 with a slot. Going that way because your arrow faces the front of the engine. Look, arrow at the front of the engine. Slot that side. Slot that side. Slot that side. 4th piston, slot the wrong side.
Not your week, is it really?
God damn it.